es. Así es. Tilín. Tilín. Tilín.
Let's go find Quackity. Let's find
Tilín.
Quackity.
Vamos con tu papá, ¿va?
Oh my god, he's still here.
Escúpale, escúpale.
Yeah, fucking boom, boom, boom.
Hijo de tu puta madre. Motherfucker. I'm gonna fart. Yes. Okay.
Wait, Quackity just sent me a message. He says, "Hello, good afternoon. I know you have my son in captivity, like some animal. Rest assured, he is no animal, but I am when I get mad. I turn like a wolf at the dawn of a full moon night. I really don't recommend you see me in my final form."
What
I think
the
he
fuck?
misunderstands. I think he thinks we're keeping Deline like a prisoner.
No,
when
no,
we're
no.
just babysitting. We're
what
babysitting.
the fuck? Oh,
I'm gonna
I think he's right now the English Quackity. You know, it's like another
Sure.
personality. You know, he has his Spanish personality and then his English. You know, he's like, hey
Gotcha.
guys, I'm a Quackity, and then he's, ¿Qué onda? Soy Quackity. Yes. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I see.
Yes.
Either way, I think we need to make sure he understands we're not here to...
Ok, no, Tilín, ¿cuál es el lado naco? A ver, ¿cuál es el lado naco? ¿El lado naco cuál es? Ok, let me... Oh, shit. El Spanish... Oh... Ok. No, nothing. Okay, Tilín. Okay, he's very mean to Quackity. You know?
Who is?
Tocan, adentro hay un volcán que pronto va a estallar. Yo quiero estar tranquilo.